All right, everybody, this will be tag number 1020. 1020 is a 13-year-old Morgan Mare. She is absolutely gorgeous. She's broke to drive and ride. She drives better than she rides, but she rides absolutely fine. Really nice mare, really laid back, gentle, was easy to handle saddled. No vices that we know of. Really nice, beautiful mare. She's really heavy. This mare probably weighs 1,100 pounds. She's one of the bigger Morgans that I've seen. She stands to be really close to 15 hands tall, but a really nice mare. Price on this mare here is going to be $975, and I'm pretty sure she ships this Friday morning, around 8 o'clock. So a really nice mare, really laid back, really gentle. She's got her tongue over the bit there. But she's something to look at. She's really nice, really shapy. We don't get a chance to get many Morgans in here, but she really is nice. But like I said, she was driven more than she was ridden. Price on her would be $975.